Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Express FX. So today's video we're gonna start working on my Mini Cooper. This car been sitting for 1 year, so pretty much I have to do tune up because I started the car yesterday. I put a new battery, but the car sound really bad. So this is why I got NGK, double plug them, the factory spark plugs. So today we're gonna change the spark plugs because my Infinity has a bad transmission now, so I have to change the transmission. So this is why I'm gonna change the spark plugs for this car, and this video gonna show you everything we're supposed to be doing. Stay with me. Yeah guys, so this is my Mini Cooper 2005, the R50, no turbo. What I like more about this car is it's good on gas. Yeah, this is my car and this is my Infinity. That one is my Infinity. So that one has a bad transmission, I have to fix it, but not now. Let's start working on this car now, and let's change the spark plugs. So we're gonna remove the coils and do it one by one. And I know my spark plug is brand new, but just because the car been sitting, I want to make sure the spark plugs be brand new. This is why I got double plug them spark plugs, NGK. Here we go. So what the tools we need the ratchets, and we're gonna need a magnets to catch the spark plugs, and need the ratchets and sockets, and the spark plugs you need the tools for is 5x8. So that's it. What you have to do, put on the side like that and loosen them. Oh my god, it's really tight. Stay with me guys. Okay, just loosen them a little bit, open them. I can separate the ratchets between. Yeah, now just like that, and do it manually. Here we go. And what they do, get the magnets. See guys, the spark plugs how bad it is. Really bad. So the difference between that one and the new one, let's see guys. See, big difference. You look on the top here, you can tell the spark plug is not good. So this one we will put new one. So what to do, drop it. Drop the spark plugs, get the tools and tighten it. There we go. That's the ratchets. And when you tighten it, don't tighten it too much. Here we go. It's good, tight. Put this one back to its place. And we go to the second one. The same thing we did before with the first one. So we do it one by one. Like that, match the cables where they goes. Even you can tell by cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 4 what cylinder exactly. Oh, really tight. So I lose it. Let's put the magnets. Here we go. This is the second one. Yeah, it's really bad too. So this is why guys, if the car been sitting too much, it's better to change the spark plugs. Yeah, it's really bad. So after we did, so now the second one, the new spark plugs. and drop the spark plug down and get your the sockets. Get the sockets with the and tied it. Easy job, guys. Do it by yourself. And easy. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. Same like Toyota. And they say it here. You see it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Tied it, but don't tie it too much. There we go. It's good. And we'll jump to the second one. So close this one back to its place. Pops up this one here. Pops out this one here. And open the second one. There we go. There you go, guys. So open it. Got the magnets. Put the magnet things. And got the spark plugs. It's the old one too, really bad. And get the new one. Here you go, guys. The new one too. Drop it. And close it. Put this one back. I'm gonna get the last one. Okay. Really tight. And get the magnets. Get the magnets. This one stay pretty much the last one. Stay good. The last one stay brand new. But this one I save it. Maybe I put it back one more time. Get the new one. Put it back. Go. Done. Put this one, put the coil back. There we go. Everything back in this place. Safe and secure. So guys, we're done. So now let's start the car. After we change the spark plugs. god, the car sounds way better. It's not like before. Guys, the car sounds way better because before when I start the car, I feel the car has no power. Now I feel really good. Yesterday when we were driving the car, I feel the car jerk. Even there is no check engine lights on, but I know the spark plugs, but the car been sitting for too long.